In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Excel to Monday.com with an easy integration. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the board that you wish to export. This board is where all your valuable data resides, and exporting it to Excel will enable more refined data management and analysis. Now, locate the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your board. This menu is your gateway to various settings and options for the board. Click on it to proceed. Once you've opened the menu, look for the option that says Export Board to Excel. This is where the magic happens. Depending on your permissions, you might see two choices. Export Table to Excel will only export the current table view. If you choose Export Board to Excel, it will export the entire board along with all its items. After selecting your desired export option, Monday.com will automatically generate an Excel file in the .xlsx format. This file is crucial as it allows you to manipulate data in ways that Monday.com alone might not accommodate. Now, the file will either download immediately to your device or be sent to your email if the board size is large or if that is the configured setting. It's a simple yet powerful way to transfer your data. Once you have the file, open it using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, whichever tool suits you best. When you open the file, you'll see your board data neatly laid out in a spreadsheet format. This setup allows you to perform in-depth analysis, apply filters, or even create pivot tables for reporting purposes. At this stage, take a moment to organize the data for better readability. Cleaning up columns or adjusting the headers might be necessary to reflect your preferred view or analysis requirements. This step is especially helpful if you plan to share the file with team members or utilize it in external reports. Finally, share your newly created Excel file with your team. It's a straightforward process that can dramatically enhance collaboration and data accessibility within your organization. Whether for internal analysis or external presentations, the integration of Excel and Monday.com offers a seamless expansion of your data management capabilities. And there you have it, a seamless guide to connecting Microsoft Excel to Monday.com. This integration simplifies data handling, boosts productivity, and opens up new possibilities for your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on optimizing your digital workspace.